In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create branded custom app icons in Canva. Hi everyone! We're keeping this simple and professional so you can create icons that look polished and consistent with your brand. First, open Canva and log in. Any plan works for this walkthrough. Once you're in, we'll start a new design. Click Create a Design and choose a square format. App icons are always square, so something like 500 by 500 pixels is a great starting point. It's large enough to design crisply while staying light to work with. If you prefer, you can enter a custom size, but the key is to stick to a perfect square so your layout translates cleanly at smaller sizes. On the left sidebar, click Elements. This is where you'll find shapes, icons, lines, and graphics. Use the search bar to quickly find styles that suit your brand and pay attention to the visual tone of what you pick. If your brand is minimalist, lean into simple geometric shapes. If it's more playful, consider rounded icons or subtle illustrations. Aim for clarity at small sizes. Simpler designs scale better and remain recognizable. Drag your chosen elements onto the canvas and arrange them. Keep the focal point centered and leave a comfortable margin on all sides so nothing looks cramped. Canva's snap guides will help you line things up precisely. Try grouping elements once they're placed, and zoom out to check how the icon reads at smaller sizes. If it still looks clear and balanced when you zoom out, you're on the right track. Next, customize the colors to fit your brand. Use your brand palette or hex codes if you have them, and keep the color count tight. 2 or 3 colors usually look cleanest. Prioritize contrast so the icon stands out, especially against light or dark backgrounds. If your brand uses gradients, apply them subtly to avoid visual noise. When you're happy with the design, it's time to export. Click Download. Choose PNG if you want a high-quality image, or SVG if you need a vector file that scales perfectly. If you plan to place the icon on a colored tile or background later, enable transparent background, so only your design exports without a solid square behind it. And that's how you create branded custom app icons in Canva. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.